This is another cold startup of my 2006 Yz250f. I already have the gas on and everything, so I'll be ready. So I'll try to get the rev limiter in here, but the neighbors, they kind of get mad. I don't think the ones over there do, but whatever. Alright, here we go. First kick usually starts third or fourth. I'm going to let it idle a little bit longer, because if I wind it up in, whoa, look at this, from when I crashed. Oh, whatever. Alright, so I fixed that. That was kind of dumb. It took a few seconds. So, I don't know if I should do the rev limiter. I'll rev it a little bit. I just don't want cops to come or anything, but whatever. Let me get on this side. Yeah, it's still bogging a little bit. Yeah. Let it idle a little longer. I'll stop the video for a little and let it idle so it doesn't waste time. Alright, so it should be ready in like a minute. So, wow, it's so cold. I think it's a pretty clean bike. For an 06, I got it for $2 grand, with a bunch of extras and stuff, so I think I did a pretty good job on finding it. I got a good deal, so I would definitely recommend Yamaha over like Kawasaki, Suzuki, and all them. Except I think Honda and Yamaha, they're both really good. I think they're both on top. But I'm really happy with this bike. I had it for about like 2 months, I think. Got Evo suspension and a bunch of extras. Well, I'll see if it's ready now. Alright, I'll try the rev limiter now, but it might bog down. So yeah, this is my cold startup. Sounds pretty good.